In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in OneNote. This powerful tool can help you keep track of important information in one organized location. Let's dive right into the first step, which is to open OneNote. When you start the application, you will see a clean interface that gives you access to your notebooks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is crucial because knowing where your tools are will make your dashboard setup smoother. Once you have OneNote open, you are ready to create your first dashboard page. Now let's create a new page. Look for the option that says Add Page, usually found on the left side of the screen. Click on it and you will see a blank slate appear. This is where your dashboard will come to life. A clean page allows you to customize it to your needs. You can think of this page as the canvas for your dashboard. This step is important because it sets the foundation for everything you will add later. You want to ensure you have this space ready for the information you will track. Next up, we will name this page Dashboard. At the top of the page, you can click on the title area and type in Dashboard. This simple action gives your page a clear identity. Naming your page allows you to find it quickly later. It makes navigating your OneNote experience much easier. A well-named page also helps you stay organized, especially if you have multiple projects or topics in OneNote. With your dashboard page ready, it's time to add sections for the information you want to track. Consider sections like tasks, schedule, notes, goals, and projects. To create sections, you can simply type each title as a header. Each section will represent a different area of your life or work that you wish to manage. This matters because it will help you categorize and locate information quickly. By having dedicated sections, you can focus on what's important and streamline your workflow. Once you have your sections, let's add checkboxes for tasks. You can find the checkbox option in the toolbar. Click on it and you will see checkboxes appear next to your tasks. This makes it easy to track what you need to accomplish. Checkboxes provide a visual cue for your progress. You can check them off as you complete tasks, giving you a sense of accomplishment. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you can quickly see what remains to be done. Next, we will add tables for the information you want to organize. Tables can help you structure data neatly, whether it's for schedules or project timelines. To insert a table, go to the toolbar and select the table option. You can adjust the number of rows and columns based on your needs. Tables allow you to see all relevant information at a glance. They are especially useful for tracking multiple entries, helping you to maintain clarity in your dashboard. Now, let's add links to other OneNote pages for easy navigation. To do this, right-click on the page you want to link to in the sidebar. A menu will appear, and you should click Copy Link to Page. This action copies the link to your clipboard. Next, return to your dashboard and paste the link where you want it to appear. This step is important because it connects your dashboard to other relevant information, making it a hub for your notes. Finally, arrange everything so your most important information is at the top. You can click and drag sections, checkboxes, and tables to prioritize your content. This organization makes it easy to access the information you use most frequently. A well-arranged dashboard will save you time and effort. You will be able to focus on what truly matters to you. And there you have it. Your OneNote dashboard is now set up, organized, and ready to help you manage your tasks effectively.